My name is Victor Fuller, and I'm the Implementation Coordinator for EverLogic. I'd like to welcome you to our training series on profit accounting. Here at EverLogic, we refer to this process as washing a deal. Some of you may call this process capping, recapping, nutting, costing, or any number of different terms. Today I'm going to teach you how to review your add-on cost and your trade actual cash value. We'll discuss front profit, back profit, and commissions. I'm going to show you how you can print vouchers for your sales staff. And then we'll wash the deal, and I'll demonstrate how to wash the deal again in case you find any errors after the initial wash process. In order to get started, you need to open the deal you want to wash. Now that the deal is open, I'm going to take you through a few steps to help you save time before you actually begin the wash process. First, make sure your deal is marked delivered. Second, check to see if the salesperson entered the funding type. If neither of these has been done, do so now. For example, let's say this deal is being financed. Our finance company is American Eagle, and we're going to move it from quote only to delivered. Third, you need to ensure that the vehicle being sold has had all the add-on costs applied. The most common issue is an open internal RO. If the RO is still open and you complete the wash process, you have not accounted for all costs associated to the deal. To check your add-on costs, including the RO, click on the steering wheel next to the vehicle attached to the deal. When the vehicle opens, check to see if there is an amount in the Open RO button. If so, click it to search for the specific RO. Once you find this RO, notify your service department that it needs to be closed. After the RO is closed, its total will appear in the accounting window as AC Repair Order. Now that you have checked the RO, make sure all other add-on costs like freight, insurance, fuel, etc. are included. Before you save and exit, I recommend you check your pack cost as well. If you pack your vehicles and its value is not entered, do so now or you'll have to come back here later to enter it. For example, let's say I have a pack adjustment on my travel trailers of $1,000. I'll enter it here. Now simply hit save and exit. Your fourth and final step before you begin washing this deal is to check your trade for an ACV or actual cash value. If this amount is not entered, your profit margin will be totally wrong. Hover over the trade on the deal. In the pop-up, you should see an ACV amount. If this is empty, click on the vehicle under the trade information. Here you can enter your ACV. Let's say $3,000. Click Save, and you can exit the trade. After making sure these four are completed, save your deal. Go to the toolbar at the top of the deal and click Profit Accounting. The Profit Accounting window will appear. This window has the deal information, the piece of inventory sold, any vehicles being traded in, and three tabs: front profit, back profit, and commissions. The front profit tab has your vehicle cost, vehicle adjustment, and total vehicle cost. Next to this, you see the inventory breakdown. If you checked your add-on cost in advance, the cost of add-ons, things like internal ROs, transportation, fuel, insurance, etc., should be accurate. You will also see any pack amount or pack adjustment and the cost of the vehicle to the salesman. In the Front Profit tab, you also have the trade information. If the trade allowance or ACV trade amount are 0, you have forgotten to check it in advance, and you will need to leave profit and accounting and enter it into the trade on your deal. The Front Profit tab also shows your front-end breakdown for all income and costs associated with the deal, and the suggested retail profit percentage, your net selling profit percentage, and cost percentage of gross. Double check this information for accuracy and move to the next tab. Click on the Back Profit tab. You should see the retail amount for any aftermarket items you've sold on the deal, such as road guard, extended warranty, gap insurance, etc. Enter in the cost for each item. For example, let's say we sold our road guard for $800, but it only costs us $4. And we sold our gap for $24.50, but it only costs us $12. And we sold our extended warranty for $2,800, but it only cost us $1,600. The next item on the Back Profit tab is your finance reserve. To find this, enter your buy rate percentage and EverLogic will calculate your reserve. For example, let's say our buy rate was 4.35%. Hit tab. EverLogic will calculate your profit at $4,000.10. If you receive a spiff or a flat amount, you can enter that amount directly. Let's put the buy rate back to 0, and we could enter in, let's say, $3,500. The amount fields will show the profit you made on each item, and the F&I amount at the bottom will show your total back profit. If you pay commissions, you will need to click the Commissions tab. Begin by verifying the correct salesperson or salespeople, if you're splitting this deal, are selected. Then verify your sales manager and F&I person or F&I manager are selected. If they are not, do so now. Simply go to the drop-down box, look for their name, and enter them in. You will see a finance department box and a sales department box. Enter the commission percentages or flat rate amounts for each person receiving commissions in each department. For example, Victor is a salesperson, he doesn't get a piece of the finance. Let's say his percentage is 12%. Hit tab. We'll calculate the commission. Your sales manager, Mike, doesn't get a piece of the finance department either, but he gets 3% on every deal. Your F&I person or F&I manager gets a piece of the finance department, so let's say she makes 20%, but she does not get a piece of the sales department. You can combine percentages and flat rates in those instances where maybe you offered a spiff to any salesperson who can move a particular vehicle for the month. Let's say Victor here gets a flat rate of $50 for moving this month. You can enter the flat rate and they'll combine for you. At the bottom you'll see your department totals and the total commission as well. If your dealership gives commission vouchers to commissionable staff involved in each deal, click the Vouchers button for a preview of the printouts. This preview shows 3 pages, one for the F&I manager, one for the salesperson, and one for the sales manager. Click Print, and you have a printed voucher for each person involved. Now you're ready to wash the deal. Click Wash, and a window will appear asking you if you want to review the add-ons before washing the deal. If you already reviewed them, you can say no, and EverLogic will bring up your trade because now it's time to bring it into inventory. Give your trade a stock number, hit Save, and X out of the trade. Now EverLogic will print you a wash sheet to put in the deal jacket. The wash sheet essentially goes over everything that was covered during the wash process. The finance company, the customer information, the unit information, trade information, income and cost associated to the vehicle, aftermarket items. Then you'll get a breakdown of commissions for the finance department and sales department. And lastly, your back profit, front profit, and total profit on the deal. You can print the wash sheet for your records or just exit out of it. Now that you have washed your deal, you are done with profit and accounting. When you exit the screen, a window will appear asking if you want to reopen the deal form. If you hit yes, it will take you back to your deal. In bold red letters, you'll see the word washed in the deal information tab. Your deal is now ready to go to QuickBooks and be posted. At this point, if you realize the accounting is off, you're still fine. As long as a deal has not been posted at QuickBooks, you can wash as many times as necessary. For example, let's say our salesman Victor was not supposed to get that $50 spiff, but his commission was supposed to go up several points. Simply click on the Profit Accounting, go to the Commissions tab, make the appropriate adjustment. Let's say he was supposed to get 15% and 0 for the flat rate, and then simply click Wash again. You're going to get the review add-ons message. No, you don't need to review them. And now you're going to be asked if you want to review the trade inventory that you brought in. No, you don't need to do that either. Everlogic will print you up a new wash sheet. You can review it if you like, print it if you need to keep it, or just X out. Now you can go ahead and X out of Profit Accounting. If you want to reopen your deal, say yes. If you're not going back into the deal, click no. If you go back into the deal, you still see washed, and next to it you do not see the word posted, so you know it has not been sent into QuickBooks yet. As long as the word posted is not there, you can wash this as many times as necessary. This concludes our training session. On behalf of myself and all of us here at Everlogic, I'd like to thank you for attending our training session on profit and accounting. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at 904-998-4066, or you can email us at support@everlogic.com, or you can email me directly at victor@everlogic.com. Thank you again for attending.